Hi everyone, today I will show you how to pronounce vowel sound in IPA. Let's start. E, E, finally, C, even, tree, E, E, listen, give it to me. Bill, come in. Ooh, look, look. Moon, cool. Look, look at the moon. It's so cool. Ooh, ooh. Look, cook. A good cookbook. Friends, friend, send, pen, very expensive. Thanks, thanks. Welcome back, welcome back. What happened? Bar, car, start, start. Mother, up, cup, done, sun, door, saw, bought, bond, bowl, stop, sup, duck, hot, turkey, burn, butt, hot, girl, work, teacher, a girl, banana, tomato, America, ear, here, near, dear. Come here, near me, I'm fear. Tourist, boar, sure, tour. I'm sure you are poor. Air, chair, hair, bear, scare. Where? My bear had no hair. I'm scared. A, hey, wet, face, red. Hey, wet, look at my face, it's great. I, boy, toy, toy, noise. Boy, you are my toy or a toy. I, my, guy, light, white. Oh, so, go, snow. Out, cow, nout, now, route. Now, speak now and go around. Thanks for watching.